Bitcoin stays below $60,000. Ether trades above $2,500. Mt. Gox shifts $700 million in Bitcoin, first major move in 3 weeks. Spot Bitcoin ETFs maintained positive flows for 8 out of the last 10 days. Tether to develop dirham-pegged stablecoin alongside Phoenix Group. Second Solana ETF approved in Brazil. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Defunct crypto exchange Mt. Gox has moved around 12,000 Bitcoin to a new unknown wallet address in its first major transaction since the end of July. So Mt. Gox made the move around 11:39 p.m. UTC on August 20, sending 12,000 Bitcoins worth $709.4 million to an empty address starting with 1 BUQB. It also sent 1,265 BTC worth $74.8 million to the address starting with 1JBEZ, which is labeled as a Mt. Gox cold wallet on Arkham Intelligence. The funds haven't moved since. The major move could mean Mt. Gox is preparing to distribute more Bitcoin to its creditors, who have been waiting to get their crypto back after the exchange was hacked and collapsed back in 2014. However, Galaxy's head of research, Alex Thorne, believes otherwise. Well, Thorne believes only a small amount of the funds moved, $74.5 million, is intended to be distributed, with the rest going into fresh cold storage still owned by the estate. United States spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds have maintained positive flows for 8 out of the past 10 consecutive trading days. On August 20, the ETF saw an aggregate inflow of $88 million, their highest for 2 weeks according to preliminary data from Farsight Investors. It marks 80% of the past fortnight's Bitcoin ETF trading days seen positive flows, with just 2 days, August 19 and August 14, seeing an outflow. So BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust led the pack with an inflow of $55.4 million, bringing the total net inflow for the product since its launch in Jan $20.5 billion. Well, IBIT, which surpassed long-time Bitcoin ETF player Grayscale in terms of assets under management, has not seen an outflow day since May 1, the only day of net outflows it has had since it launched in Jan. The ARK21 Shares Bitcoin ETF was a close second with an inflow of $51.9 million on August 20. So Grayscale's flagship fund has lost $19.6 billion since its conversion to an ETF 7 months ago. While its low-fee Bitcoin mini trust has gained just $288 million since its launch on July 31st. Tether, the developer of the world's largest stablecoin, said it plans to introduce a token pegged to the United Arab Emirates dirham in collaboration with Abu Dhabi-listed crypto conglomerate Phoenix Group. So the major stablecoins are all pegged to the US dollar, of which Tether's USDT is comfortably the largest with a market cap of over $117 billion. So USDT accounts for a share of the stablecoin market of nearly 70%, according to CoinGecko data. Also, Tether plans to seek licensing for the dirham stablecoin under the UAE Central Bank's Payment Token Services regulation announced in June. The Brazilian Securities and Exchange Commission has approved the second Solana ETF, the agency disclosed in its central database. So according to the CVM database, the new Solana ETF, which is in a pre-operational phase, will be offered by Brazil-based Hashtags, a Brazil-based asset manager with over $962 million in assets under management, in partnership with the local investment bank BTG Pactual. So Hashtags is an experienced player in the ETF segment on the B3 Brazilian Stock Exchange, having already launched products such as the Nasdaq Crypto Index as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum-based ETFs. On August 8, the CVM approved the country's first Solana ETF, this one offered by Brazilian-based asset manager QR Asset. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.